symbols, the colors that describe your life right now. The colors that describe your life. And when you're ready, go. Take those 10 minutes. Keep yourself muted so that we don't have to listen to anything in your back. And I'll come back and keep reminding you, not me, what you're doing in just a minute. Colors that abstractly describe your life. You answer with 2 colors at a time unless otherwise designated. So in essence, it's like the process is going to be similar to the 4-word warm-up, except not 20 seconds. You're going to have 2 minutes to do each one of the answers of 5 questions. So in essence, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, close your eyes, take a deep breath and relax. And then I'm going to ask you a question. And then I'm going to have you choose 2 colors to express the answer abstractly anywhere on the canvas. And then I'm going to stop you and say, okay, time's up. And then we're going to go to question number 2. And we're going to keep doing that. And when we get to question 5, you'll have 2 minutes for the last one. But then I'm going to give you an extra 5 minutes to complete the painting. Although it's not meant for any other reason but to put some extra added things on the canvas. I always say don't subtract anything from it by the time you get to the 5th one. Leave everything you painted. You can add, but don't subtract. So everybody good on the idea of the signature work is always about questions, and you answer with abstract colors. Good? All right, title is Painting My Choices. Painting My Choices is your title.